Hello, let's start with the choice of processor. In June i5 12600KF looks best, because it is sold with good discount and costs only $160. A cooler with 6 heat pipes is suitable for cooling CPU with 125 watts TDP. For example, here is such Telmaride for $22. The basis will be the motherboard on the BAM 760 chipset. Yes, it does not support overclocking, but they are much cheaper than boards with that chipset. Look for a model with VRM heatsinks on the top and left, as well as DDR4 memory. For example, such device from ASRock will cost $99 and ATX motherboard from MSI with Wi-Fi $149. Why the motherboard on DDR4? Because DDR4 memory is significantly cheaper than DDR5. Two 16GB modules with timings clock 16 and radiators can be bought for $50. The budget allows us to buy 2 TB SSD. Trying to find solution with PCI Express 4 generation, TLC memory and 5 years of warranty. In our case, it is Western Digital Blue for $120. And the most interesting thing is the video card. You can get an 8GB RTX 4060 Ti for less than $400. Its performance is more than enough for most modern games. A 650 watts power supply costs $80. Buy solutions with 80+ Gold certification, fully modular cables with PCI Express 5th generation connector and capacitors made in Japan and Taiwan. You can save some money on a case. Buy any ATX for $50–55 with several phones. As a result, our build costs $1,015. This is with MSI motherboard. With ASRock, it will be just $965. How do you like this PC? By the way, a similar one can be assembled for less than $800. One of the next videos will be about this.